Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video to just say thank you so much, because we have just hit 1 million subscribers. I honestly never thought that this could happen. I did not plan to make a YouTube channel when I built this tiny house in 2013. I was simply documenting my own journey. And then I started filming other people doing similar things, and the channel just became popular and sort of took on its own life. And so it really has been a giant journey for me, and this channel has really grown with me over the years, and it's just going to keep expanding and growing with me in the future. So I'm really overwhelmed by it all, and I just wanted to get on here and say, yay, we did it, and thank you so much. This is really not something I ever expected would happen. And since I don't really know what to say right now, I'm just gonna do a quick 1-minute montage of where we've been over the years. You're gonna see some stuff from 2014 all the way to 2021. So if you've been following me all along, you might remember a few of these clips. Hi, I'm Jenna with Tiny House Giant Journey. Today I'm going to go through a little bit of tiny house winterization. This video is about what it costs to live in a tiny house per month. Oh my god. I've bought a vintage trailer. Today's video is going to be more about what it's like living in a small space with a baby. I can't believe how far this channel has come. I mean, back in the day, we definitely didn't have the production value that we do today, and that's all because you guys have helped me grow. It's not just me anymore. In fact, I have a couple people filming for me. I'd like to thank them as well. So Matt, Kels Jay, and thank you to Marcia for editing a lot of my videos. I still film quite a few of my own tours, and I'm always producing, and I'm always looking for new material. As you may have noticed, I've expanded into not just doing tiny home tours in the last few years. I've been doing alternative homes and unique spaces. I think that this has really broadened the type of home that I can feature on this channel, and I really love some of the new tours that we're coming out with, and I hope you guys do too. Thank you so much for being on this giant journey with me, and I hope to continue to make these videos for years and years to come. If you want me to make a certain kind of video, please comment. I love to hear from you guys, and I will see you soon with more video tours.